Hello everybody, today we've got another power supply which we're gonna try to save. It's 70 volts, 350 watts, 5 amps. Let's open it and see what's inside and try to save it. Let's remove the lid. That's the inside. Let's remove the fan. Just like this. I can see a blown fuse with some burning. Let's remove the PCB and proceed. Also, I noticed some burning on the transistors, and here we go. It's not a really nice view. There is a burn trace, some smoked area here. Those are NPN transistors, and also, as you can see, there is a crack, and on this one also some damage. So those two are definitely need to be replaced. I unsoldered them. Let's check. Just for testing. We know that these are bad, but I just wanted to show you. Also, there is this one, this track. It is also slightly damaged, and it goes to the diode bridge. So probably diode bridge is also bad, and let's confirm this. So that's the first. Second diode is good. Third is bad, and fourth is also bad. Diode bridge is bad, and we have to replace it. Just want to check it one more time to show you. We know that this is bad, but just for the record. Those two are okay. This trace I will replace, this one also. And the fuse. Okay, I put two transistors, similar ones, about 12 amps and 40 volts, 400, sorry. Also, I've noticed some burning on this cap and decided to check it just in case. Let's see it together. It's 600 microfarads, 680. As you saw, this one is okay. I'm gonna put it back. I restored the trace. Here I put a little wire. You cannot see it, but it is there. Also, I put a wire here temporarily in place of fuse, and it's time to test it. I connected my isolation transformer and turn it on. There is a noise, I hope you can hear it. The voltage is there, but this noise, I don't know what it is. Maybe when we connect some load it will stop. I mean fan. I don't know. Okay, restored these traces in a better way. Put a fuse, a new one. But when I tested it off camera with the fan, it didn't work, so I proceeded with testing and found that those two diodes are bad. Also, I've noticed the trace here was also burned, which goes to the diodes and makes 12 volts for the fan. And now when we connect the main voltage again without fan and turn it on, now there is no such a noise that we heard before, and the voltage is slightly less, which should be. So now it's gonna work for sure. I'm gonna put everything back and test one more time with the fan. Put everything back. Let's turn it on. And the fan spins. Indicator is glowing. Check the voltage one more time to make sure the voltage is fine. So this one is fixed. I hope you learned something. If you do, give this video a like and see you next time. Goodbye.